Shorts are still clean, didn't soil myself. I think we're coming up on a town soon. Hopefully that town has at least one gas station. They have a beer and wine store, so if all else fails, I could just hang out there. Maybe I should stop there. Cold beer. I look like I've been hit by a car. I'm so bloated. I could just sleep in the parking lot. We're on the road. By we, I mean me and you watching. This is a solo trip, other than all of you who aren't actually with me in the moment, but kind of are because I'll be talking to you. We are heading to Bandera, Texas. Heading out from where I live in a suburb of Dallas. This route will take us across the Dallas Metroplex. Really, this is going to be in my opinion, the worst part is getting through the Metroplex. Because we'll have to go through the mid-cities, which if you're not familiar with this area, the mid-cities is what they refer to the suburbs between Dallas and Fort Worth. And in my opinion, that's where the worst freaking freeways are in this area.
Damn right.
Currently, GPS says the fastest route is actually taking I-35. But if you've ever spent longer than, say, 5 minutes in Texas, you know that if anybody ever suggests you take Interstate 35, you say,
"Oh, hell no."
I missed my entrance to the express lane. That would have made it ideal. Pay some money to not be stuck in traffic. Money well spent, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really hate this. Okay, yeah, see, that's good. I made it through the overpass. Shorts are still clean, didn't soil myself. So this is the trade-off with this route as opposed to taking Interstate 35 most of the way. Is this, of course, is mostly just 2-lane road, but I'm telling you, 35 is a freaking jungle. Now, I don't think there's any reason for this person to go 10 miles below the speed limit, and this is kind of what I get for being nice and letting them in front of me when I go past. Okay, now they're speeding up some. Maybe they finally realized, oh, I'm not even doing the speed limit. Or maybe they didn't know what the speed limit was. Who knows? Give them the benefit of the doubt. Jeez! Don't be such an a-hole!
A-hole.
Chill, why are you yelling at me? I'm not, I'm just kidding.
And scene.
Oh, here's an area to pass. This will be lovely. Watch, this person won't get over. Oh, there they go. What a swell guy. You're awesome. just had lunch at Chicken Express in Glen Rose, Texas. I wanted to have either this taco shop, which when I first came here, that whole area was full. I wanted either that taco shop, or there's a burger place in the downtown area called, I think it's called the Green Pickle Burger or Green Pickle Grill, something like that. Their parking was completely full as well, so there was nowhere to park that I would be able to keep an eye on the bike. Because of that, I decided not to stop there. Also, I'm not the most patient person.
Bingo.
Which probably should be indicated by the fact that the name is Restless Mule. If something's going to take longer than I think it should, I'll generally just skip it or figure out something else rather than wait around for it. And there's another bug that just hit my damn visor. I don't know if you can see that. That's just the way it goes. I don't know that I mentioned it earlier. I know I said that I'm going to Bandera. That's the destination for today. I'm not sure I mentioned why I'm going to Bandera. Bandera is about an hour away from the famed Twisted Sisters ride in the hill country of Texas. So that's why I'm heading to Bandera. Tomorrow I plan to ride the Twisted Sisters. From my house to my motel where I'm staying, or where I will be staying, is 330 miles. Hamilton is where we want to go. This is Hyco. Got that cool downtown area that I've never actually stopped at, but it looks neat. Well, surely somewhere in the next 36 miles there will be a gas station, saying 37 miles to empty. It's a little poor fuel mileage than I normally get, but definitely fighting quite a headwind. So I'm currently tucked in, trying to decrease resistance, and of course scaling back on the throttle some, just to be on the safe side. I think we're coming up on a town soon. Hopefully that town has at least one gas station. If not, this may be a hard-learned lesson. I could have gotten gas in Glen Rose, but I thought, nah, I'll get it down the road. We'll be fine.
You're an imbecile.
We're definitely not going to make it to the town I was planning to get gas. I'm like 99.99999% sure that Hamilton has gas stations. I know I've been through here, I just can't remember anything about the town. Well, they have a beer and wine store, so if all else fails, I could just hang out there.
Hey guys! Oh, big gulps, huh? All right. Well, see you later.
If you've experienced the beating that is I-35 in Texas, please let me know. Drop a comment of what your experience was. Oh, yeah, yuck. Son of a mother. I got a bug that like hit just up my sleeve and exploded on my arm. Ugh. It's gonna be a while before I can clean that off too. I can feel the guts on my arm.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Alright, so here we are in, I'm not sure how to pronounce this. I think it's Goldwaite, Texas. I'll put up the spelling here. Obviously I'm right out here in town square by the courthouse building. Stopped here to stretch a bit and rehydrate. I suddenly caught the world's worst cramp in my left thigh. Maybe I should stop there. Cold beer. Hunting ranches here in the hill country of Texas. So people will buy hundreds if not thousands of acres here, high fence it, and buy so-called exotic species that they'll then have on their land and breed, and then have their own private hunting area on their land. Different types of deer, antelope, and a lot of times, I mean, it's a business within the United States. People will raise them and then sell them, breed them and sell them. It's become increasingly common in the hill country of Texas. Passing lane, or not double, dotted lines. Sorry guys, this is what happens when you make up a musical, a opera on your own, impromptu. Oh, there's a dead deer right there. Yowza, he looks pretty bloated, or she. Kind of like me. I look like I've been hit by a car, I'm so bloated. Oh my goodness, there's no passing areas. Why? Cookie Monster go mad. I was gonna say that's might be our last break, but I don't think it's going to be. I just stopped in Fredericksburg to stretch my legs, hydrate a little bit, but I really need to unhydrate, and there wasn't really a good spot to do that here.
One eternity later.
Okay, well, I got a text message from the motel that I'm staying at telling me they close at 6 and wanting to know when I'm expecting to arrive. Well, my current ETA is 6:05. And it's kind of the downside of staying at a locally owned place instead of a chain. They don't really operate the same. But, I mean, when you're in a small town, this place has good reviews, and trying to support a locally owned place. So we're cutting it close, but we'll get in regardless. I could just sleep in the parking lot, you know. Buddy's septic service. Wonder if that has anything to do with the smell. So this is Bandera. We're gonna get here. We're in Bandera at 6, but we are not at our motel at 6. Oh, they sent me some text message about, I don't know, I think it said they're gonna run my card and leave my key somewhere. I wasn't able to look at it because I'm riding, so we'll figure it out when we get there.